In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to evaluate algebraic expression. So first, let's talk about algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is an expression that contains numbers, operations, and lastly, variables. These are the examples of algebraic expression, while these are not an example of algebraic expression. Why? Because this does not contain variable which play an important role when it comes to algebraic expression, and it could be a numerical expression. While these, even though it does have a variable, it has a equal sign which is not included when it comes to algebraic expression, and it could be a equation. And before we proceed, we have two steps on evaluating algebraic expression. They are substitution and simplifying. The substitution is where we are plugging in values for the variables. And on the other hand, simplifying is where we are simplifying by following the order of operations. Now we are going to proceed on our examples. So the first example we have is P plus M plus P, where P represents 5, M represents 9, and T represents -6. And first step we have is we're going to do the substitution. So it's going to be 5 plus 9 plus -6. So now we are going to simplify the given by following the order of operation after it was arranged. So now we have 5 plus 9 minus 6. And then we are going to add the first two digits since it was an addition. So 5 plus 9 equals 14, and 14 minus 6 equals 8. So now we have the final answer, it is 8. So the second example we have is 2m plus -n plus p squared, where m represents 6, n represents 8, and p represents 4. So the first step we have on evaluating algebraic expression is substitution. So now the given has now turned 2 times 6 plus -8 plus 4 squared. And now we are going to simplify 4 squared since it has an exponent. So 4 times 4 equals 16. So 2 times 6 plus -8 plus 16. And now we're going to arrange the plus -8 to -8. So 2 times 6 minus 8 plus 16. And now we're going to multiply 2 times 6. So 2 times 6 equals 12. So 12 plus -8 plus 16. And now we're going to add from left to right. So 12 minus 8 equals 4, and 4 plus 16 equals 20. So now we have our final answer. And now we're done for the explanations. How about a little more information?
Did you know who invented algebraic expression? It's no other than Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. He is a Muslim mathematician and astronomer. He is known as the father of algebra, a word derived from the title of his book, Kitab Algebraic. He also developed the concept of algorithm in mathematics, which is why some have called him the grandfather of computer science. Khwarizmi was one of the most famous scholars of Bait al-Hikmah, or the House of Wisdom, Baghdad's intellectual powerhouse. The House of Wisdom was a center for the study of science, including mathematics, astronomy, medicine, chemistry, geography, and astrology.
Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video.